The PRICUSIS Nonstick Pots and Pans set offers a solid start for any kitchen. This 9-piece set includes the essential cookware. You get different sized pots and pans. There is even a skillet for frying. The gray color looks nice and modern. This PRICUSIS Nonstick Pots and Pans set aims to make cooking simpler. It's a practical choice for everyday meals. Cooking with the PRICUSIS Nonstick Pots and Pans set is designed to be easy. The non-stick surface helps food slide right off. This means less scrubbing for you after cooking. It also allows for healthier cooking. You can use less oil or butter. The ceramic coating is non-toxic. It is free from PTFE, PFOA, and PFAS. This gives peace of mind with every meal you prepare. The set is also induction compatible. This adds to its versatility in different kitchens. Considering a new cookware set? The PRICUSIS Nonstick Pots and Pans set could be a good option. It provides the basics you need. The non-stick feature is a real-time saver. Plus, the health benefits of the non-toxic coating are important. While it might not have all the fancy bells and whistles, this PRICUSIS Nonstick Pots and Pans set delivers on its promise of simple and healthy cooking. It's a functional set for everyday use. Pros: non-stick surface, easy to clean, healthy cooking, no toxic materials, induction ready. Durable build, heats evenly, good for flipping, less oil needed, stylish gray color, complete. 9-piece set, often gift-ready. Cons: handle assembly needed, may not be ideal for high heat, non-stick might degrade over time. Some find it heavy, takes up storage space, not the largest cooking surface, long-term handle. Durability unclear, could be less non-stick than Teflon initially, mixed opinions on induction. Compatibility, some report handle detached and packaging features. Ceramic, non-toxic, PFOA free, PTFE free, PFAS free, induction ready, gray color, healthy. Pan: this PRICUSIS 9-piece pots and pans set is a gray non-stick ceramic cookware that aims for healthy cooking. It's made without harmful chemicals like PTFE, PFOA, and PFAS. The set is also designed to work on induction stovetops. The non-stick surface helps food slide easily and makes cleaning simpler. This cookware is a good choice for people who want to avoid certain chemicals in their cooking tools. This PRICUSIS 9-piece non-stick pot and pan set is gray, easy to clean, and good for healthy cooking because it doesn't have toxic stuff. You can use it on induction stoves. It's made to last and heat food evenly, which is good for flipping food and using less oil. The set comes with 9 pieces and might be nice as a gift. But you have to put the handles on yourself. Some people think it's heavy and takes up a lot of space. It might not be the best for cooking at very high heat. And the non-stick might not last forever. Also, some people aren't sure if it works well on induction stoves. And there have been a few reports of handles coming off during shipping. It might not be as non-stick as Teflon at first. And how long the handles will last is not clear.